This message is being transmitted at the request of the Monkeyville Police Department. This is a civil danger warning. A civil danger warning indicates imminent danger to civilian life. It was brought to the department's attention that Zach Barner has been found dead and stuffed away in an unfinished portion of the second floor of the popular store known as the Monkey Mall. The missing persons report has been lifted. The Monkey Mall is being closed down until this is resolved. Do not enter the mall for any reason. Investigations are currently taking place. Other reports state that civilians and employees have seen a creature moving in the shadows during the night. The creature has been identified as the Blind Sprinter. The Blind Sprinter is a yellow-colored monkey with a red-colored face and disproportionately long arms that end in clawed hands. The creature lacks the sense of sight, however still presenting eyes. The creature senses movement through vibrations in the ground, sound nearby or smell. If you see this creature, stay quiet and do not move. Call the police immediately. A curfew will be in effect until further notice. The curfew times will be from 8 in the morning to 7:30 in the evening. This warning will be lifted once this creature has been neutralized.
Do not make loud noises if it is reported in your area. This broadcast will now silence for your safety. Stations may now resume normal programming. Warning. Warning. Turn off your device after this broadcast ends. The Blind Sprinter is multiplying. Repeating. The Blind Sprinter is multiplying. We have no way of stopping this creature. The Monkeyville government has fallen prey to the Sprinters. We are no longer able to protect you. May God bless you all.